What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Join us today for a quick little walkthrough tour of the newly renovated El Cortez Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. Yeah, obviously nobody's in the high limits area. Let's see. Oh, that one was a $30 bet. Yeah, all the high limit areas are usually pretty small. I would say honestly this might be even a little bit bigger than normal, but very cool. Cool little corner in the El Cortez, back by the new stage bar. Show bar. The show bar that has a stage on it. Yep.
That's when they perched to sit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so
It starts over there.
for some of you that didn't know, Bugsy Siegel owned the El Cortez at one point. Of course, he sold his stake in the El Cortez and bought the Flamingo.
It starts here and it goes around.
Yeah, I don't think it's out of yeah, it's got to be out of order. All the previous owners, of course, they wanted Bugsy facing out into the casino so you could be seen. It's like their little claim to fame, I guess. And then you got Kenny Epstein, 2008. Huh? Oh, there's there more?
Yeah.
Kenny Epstein in 2008. And Jackie Gone. Yeah, he actually has a suite here, which is, I've seen pictures of it, it's very nice. Meyer Lansky. Mo Sedway. So Mo Sedway was actually the guy that supposedly put the hit out on Bugsy Siegel. If you guys are interested in Bugsy Siegel, I do have a video on his grave and where his life was taken from him. So just go back into on my channel and look for his grave video. It's not that old, under a year old at the time of recording this. Yep. All right, let's do our little perimeter check. Well, it's the best we could do. Anyway. Oh, he's trying real hard. So all this area here has been recently remodeled. This was actually closed about 6 months ago. It opened up fairly recently. And this is their new bar. Another new bar. It's crazy how close these two bars are. But then again, this isn't a very big casino. It is a downtown casino, which are a lot smaller than the bigger resort casinos on the Las Vegas Strip. And a little more intimate. Look, we got some, got another high limit room. Looks like it's just, yeah, just tables. Oh, there's more machines back there. Definitely more machines back there. Oh, let's take a look. Nothing saying we can't be in here. Yeah, just 2 tables and looks like 4 machines. I don't see any recent hits or wins on this, so maybe they've just added these. I don't know. Mrs. 909. go down this way. Got somebody live streaming over there. Oh no, she's not live streaming, she's just recording. Let's see what we got over here in this little corner. Definitely some older machines. Yeah, these are definitely older machines. Lots of free entertainment here, guys. Not bad for a Wednesday night, huh? We got Siegel's 1941, which we have yet to eat at. I don't know if it's any good, but they have a prime rib special for 20 bucks. $19.99. Yeah, see, there it is. I don't know, man. I don't know about that steak. It almost looks
sunken.
like you can almost see through it. It's pretty thin.
It looks sunken.
Yeah. I don't know. For 20 bucks, I don't know. You can't go wrong. You'll get full at least. And supposedly, because the El Cortez does not have a pool, but supposedly this outlines the little pool that they did have at one point. Yeah. Go stand in the middle of that so we could get a bigger perspective. Yeah, you guys see that? I don't know if there's any truth to that. It's just what I've heard. Yeah. I know, right?
I'd like to dip your toes in.
Yeah.
Not a pool.
So,
I call that a bathtub.
yep. Here's another bar. Very nice, quiet little bar. Almost out of the way in between the casino. Then you got hotel registration, check-in, check-out, all right here. Very small check-in area. Yeah. We got this guy sleeping here. No, he doesn't even have any money in it. Can't blame him. Yeah. No, it used to be the Starbucks there used to be a Subway. You remember when it was a Subway? Yeah. Got your buffaloes. Yeah, they got a lot of buffalo. What is this? Just Powerball? I don't know. I don't think this is 24 hours either. And they don't. Looks like she's closing up shop already. So. And another buffalo. Hey, this might as well be Buffalo Corner. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. They got a few over there, and then more buffalo. Buffalo Corner. Oh, and look, more buffalo. More buffalo. Yeah, let's take a peek in here. Yeah, they just got a couple of some snacks if you need it. Some jerky back over there in the corner, some calendars, some nuts and candy. Got your, oh, look at an El Cortez cup. It's kind of a cool cup. Let's see how much it is. 22 bucks. I'm good. 22 bucks for a coffee cup. Yeah, so you're gonna be paying Vegas prices in here, guys. They got a couple little things in here in case you have an emergency. And some drinks if you need it. Anything? El Cortez shirt. Looks like a jacket there. Got some hoodies. Sportsman headquarters. Yeah, Sportsman headquarters, El Cortez Hotel. I don't know what that's about, but well, that's kind of cool. Looks like a stained glass t-shirt there. It's cool. I would not wear it, but it's cool. And they have all these shirts here. Now it looks like that's what they are. Got some more shirts there. No designs on it. And that's about it. Very small little shop. Oh, Mrs. Down there. Oh, it looks like he woke up. Alarm must have went off. Aristocat. Oh, and another buffalo. Where's the gold jackpot? No, not usually. I mean, you don't have to do that, but it's proper etiquette to tip, especially if you're getting something for free. Buffalo! You hear that all over the casino. That's funny. That's pretty cool. You got a slot technician over there working on the slots. Yeah. Don't. Yeah. Oh, that's right. They do have another little room. You know, when we actually walk around this place, it's actually bigger than you think. They have it all kind of spaced out in different rooms, so it makes it seem a little smaller. Let's finish this main casino area, and there's a little area over here where they actually have coin slots still. Very rare thing here in Las Vegas. It's this casino, the Hotel California. And those two are down here on Fremont Street that still has the old school slot machine tokens and Circus. And here is their sports book. You know, this sports book is actually a little bigger than some of the other casinos on the strip.
And nicer.
It's quiet. Very comfortable looking chairs. We're in the El Cortez.
I know, but Excalibur.
Yeah.
They had just regular chairs.
Right.
They didn't even have it
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, it's like a step above a folding chair.
Yeah, and you would think the strip would have.
You would think so.
Better.
Yeah, let's go this way. And up here, guys, this is where we're staying. In the original 47 hotel rooms. Room 3300. Huh? Yeah. How's it going? What's going on, man?
Yeah, you can't be videoing people.
Oh, no, I'm not videoing anybody. I'm just recording life as it happens, man. Nobody in specific. Yeah. I don't know. The what?
This pink one.
The pink one?
It's pink.
You mean the different colored one?
Yeah, but it's pink.
Oh. Oh, I got it. The handle is pink. Oh,
All of that.
yeah, it's shut down. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it.
You have 15. You have
20. Go finish our perimeter check. Right here. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I know where it's at. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. I don't know why. It looks exactly just like the cart
And
over
it
there.
says $4.
Yeah, I wasn't paying
He
attention.
jumped in front of you and she's
Yeah.
like, wait.
Yeah. Even I was like, wow. They have that on film too.
He was nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So we normally in the bigger casinos like to do a perimeter check. There's no way to do a perimeter check because it's so small and it's not very open. So when you're walking through the aisles like we are now, you're basically walking through the entire casino. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this and you want to see more walkthrough videos of casinos from downtown Las Vegas or in Vegas period, put it down in the comments. Just comment more casinos. Thanks for watching.